How to limit phone calls and messages on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Communication section and tap on Communication Limits. These limits apply to phone, FaceTime, messages, and iCloud contacts. Go to the Allowed Communication section and tap on During Screen Time. From here, you can limit who you can communicate with during allowed screen time. Select Contacts Only. This will allow one-to-one and group conversations only with people in your contacts. Now, go back and tap on During Downtime. Here, you can limit who you can communicate with during downtime. Select specific contacts. Then, tap on Choose from My Contacts. Select the contacts you want to add and tap on the tick icon. Following these steps, you can easily limit phone calls and messages on iPhone.